discuss the pin configuration of PAT Ranger. Pin 6 positive terminal of left motor, pin 12 positive terminal of right motor, pin 8 left motor of negative, then negative pin of right motor, pin 11. Again PWM signals are pin 9 and 10. These are all for left and right motor respectively. Let us see how to do this, how to do a programming for this PAT Ranger in MATLAB. First go to Simulink Arduino package, then copy Arduino output block from Simulink library. Select constant value from common library. Again right motor pin positive terminal 12. Similarly for ground 8 and 11 for right and left motor. For PWM signal 9 and meter, make it as Arduino Nano and respective COM port, then click OK. Now you can run this program by deploy to hardware. Let me connect my robot to computer through USB port. Here USB 2.0 connected to my line following robot. Now I am going to connect my USB port to my computer. Let us create a forward motion. First select PWM pin, make it as 200, at 256 maximum. This is because of change in 1 and zeros in. Now you can see the rotation in anti-clockwise direction. Now you can see that clearly.